Single sign-on to all types of devices. Iraje PAM provides SSO to all assets out of box without any connector or adapter. Servers. SSO to all types of Windows, Unix, Linux, A.I.X servers. Routers and switches. SSO to all types of routers and switches. Any make any model. Firewalls. SSO to all types of firewalls access through putty or through browser. Databases. SSO to all types of databases accessed through SQL Plus or through clients like SSMS, Toad, SQL Developer, P.L., SQL Developer and others. Thin and thick clients. SSO to all types of browser consoles and thick clients. Cloud applications. SSO to all types of cloud applications accessed through browser. For more information visit us at www.iraje.com or reach us at contact@iraje.com.